The Child Development Center is located on campus here at Western Nevada College. We serve almost 100 children every single day. We serve children from WNC students to staff and community members. We provide high quality, individualized, developmentally appropriate care to every single child that walks through our doors. And a lot goes into providing that high quality care, including the education of our staff, training of our teachers, and also using our classroom environments and outdoor environments as an additional teacher. So we really focus on using our environments, making sure that supplies and materials are engaging for our children, that they spark curiosity, because that sparks play, and we know that play sparks learning opportunities as well. We're increasing that type of thought to our outdoor playgrounds, making sure that our outdoor playgrounds are inviting that learning and play opportunities. So we have a beautiful play structure that is 22 years old, and it has served us well, but it is definitely time for it to retire. We are hoping to obtain 2 different playground structures, one for our infants and toddlers, and then one for our preschool age kids, to invite some more learning opportunities. Bringing in some new grass, freshening up our play structure, our playground, and then also creating some new gardens in both of our playgrounds, because that invites a lot of science, math, social emotional learning, and so on.